All right, and then some quick hit Walmart advertising tips. Walmart has done a really great job of giving advertisers the ability to use bid modifiers. So you do have the ability to say, I want to bid an extra 30% or boost my bid by 30% for item page placements versus search page placements, for example. You can also do that from a device perspective. So you can say, I want to bid more aggressively on in-app placements versus desktop, because I know that's really, really important for my product category. So definitely encourage you to use bid modifiers whenever applicable or available, and again, test to make sure that it is driving those efficiencies for your brand. Next up, 2 of the 4 is day parting. So for those unfamiliar with day parting, it essentially just allows you to flex your bids up or down using technology per hour of the day or day of the week. So if you know that your customers are not necessarily converting, they may be searching for your products, but not really converting and adding to cart and checking out from, let's say, midnight to 4 a.m. East Coast time, you can actually lower your bids, which is a really common strategy we see to just drive efficiencies, make sure that you're not wasting your ad spend during low conversion periods of the day. And then more importantly, in my opinion, allowing your competitors to waste their budget during those hours. So their budgets are exhausted by the time that your bid starts to flex back up, starting, 5, 6 a.m. to allow you to both conserve your budget, but then win at a lower cost per click and drive higher sales during peak conversion hours. Number 3 here is if your products do not rank within the top 128, which is very common on Walmart since it's a massive platform, we highly recommend Walmart's automatic or auto campaigns. Based on my experience, auto impressions and auto campaigns have accounted for some brands for upwards of 90% of total available impressions and sales. We also see in general, and we actually just got off the phone with Walmart a little bit ago, they're also seeing actually better ROAS and better efficiency from auto campaigns. Biggest driver there is it tends to have on average a lower cost per click than a keyword, manual-based campaign, which makes sense since you're finding, cheaper impressions, cheaper clicks, and not only focusing on those super high volume competitive keywords. So we definitely recommend at least starting and testing out initially, but leaning fairly heavily on auto campaigns. And then last one here, because Walmart is the first price auction model, so you do truly pay what you bid, which can get very, very tricky very quickly. We do recommend the approach of bid scaling. So start low. Bids can start as low as 25 cents on Walmart. Start low, see what impression volume looks like, see what your page placement and device placement data looks like. And then if you're not happy with the results, if you're not able to spend as much money as you expected to, or you're not driving as many sales as you would want to, we recommend slowly increasing your bids by 15 to 20% every few days, even slower than that if you're comfortable with it, just to see exactly how much you do need to spend and bid to get to your target share of voice number.